It's Josh here. I'm just outside Cairns Courthouse Precinct where I've appeared at the Cairns Magistrates Court today on a middle range drink driving offence. The blood alcohol reading was 0.129. Our client was from interstate. He lives down very southern part of New South Wales in a rural area sort of near the Albury-Wodonga part of New South Wales. So he'd been up here visiting friends, and on the night of the time of the offence, it was Halloween. He'd been out to Gilligan's Bar. He'd consumed about 5 pints of alcohol. He finished up around midnight. He went back to our friend's place, slept on the couch for a few hours, got up, very uncomfortable, decided to get into the car, drive a short distance to where he was staying at his accommodation. It was about 4:30 in the morning. Sun hadn't quite come up. He hadn't turned his headlights on. Police saw this. They pulled him over. They subjected him to a breath test, a roadside breath test, and it was 0.129 was the reading. So quite well over the legal limit and getting up towards the higher part of the middle range category. So our client is of Korean background. He works in the family business which exports fresh produce, so he does a lot of travelling to farms and rural areas. He wasn't going to be in line for a Section 87 because he was on a New South Wales driver's licence, which makes him ineligible. But we did explain to the court that it would still cause difficulties in relation to his job, having to drive out to rural areas. He wasn't going to lose his license because it's a family, his job because it's a family business, but it will still cause significant difficulties. The prosecution today did not tender any New South Wales records, so this was dealt with on a first offence basis for him, and there was nothing else significantly aggravated about the matter. He did go along and do the traffic offenders program. He didn't have any references, but he did put together a very heartfelt letter of apology to the court, displaying a good level of remorse and insight into the lessons he learned from the traffic offenders program. We were today able to secure him the minimum disqualification, which was a great outcome given the reading was 0.129, well into the middle range category. We got him the 3-month minimum, a $450 fine, and no conviction recorded. So he was over the moon with that. He really couldn't have got much of a better outcome for the reading and the type of matter it was. And he will have to do the alcohol interlock program, and he'll have to sort out how he can transfer that order down to the RMS to be honoured in New South Wales when he goes and applies for his licence back down where he lives in New South Wales. So a very, very happy and relieved client today. It's over. He can move forward. He's got 3 months to serve, and that'll fly quick, and then he'll be back on getting on running the family business. So thanks for tuning in here today on a glorious day in Cairns at Cairns Magistrates Court. Thanks for tuning in. I want to thank you for tuning into Boorman Lawyers today. You can catch us at any of the usual social media platforms. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact us on 1300 941 900. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video today. I really hope it was informative and helpful for you. There's another couple of videos below that you might want to check out that may be very useful for the process that you might be going through at the moment. Please feel free to like, follow, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've always got fresh new content coming through all the time.